In this video, I'm going to show you how to install another browser without a browser installed. So if you've accidentally uninstalled all of the web browsers on your computer, I'm going to show you how we can go and install a new one. So there's two methods to do this. The first one is by opening up the Start menu. You can then search for Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Using the search box, go and type in Firefox and then press enter. You can then click on this app here, which is Mozilla Firefox. You can then select the blue Get button and then just wait while this installs to your computer. Once it's finished installing, you can go and open up the browser. And then you can go and use this to install other browsers to your computer. So if you wanted to install Google Chrome, you can now do this from Firefox. Now, if this method doesn't work, I'm going to show you another way to do this as well. So first go and open up the Start menu. You can then search for PowerShell and you'll need to right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Now let's say we wanted to install Google Chrome directly from this window here. Now all you need to do is type in winget space install space -e space --id space Google with a capital G .chrome with a capital C and then go and press enter. You'll then just need to type in Y and press enter to agree to the terms and conditions, and this will install Chrome onto your computer.